Hello everybody, in this video we're going to go over the triple double crochet cluster stitch. And what it basically is really just 3 double crochets that are created in the stitch, all in the same stitch below it. Okay, it makes a really nice decorative stitch, kind of a puffy, clustery type of stitch. Okay, and you can see it's all of them are done in that stitch below. All right, so let's go ahead. And we're going to begin by yarning over, and I'm going to just skip a stitch just so you can see it. So we're going to yarn over, and then go through that stitch, yarn over again, and pull up a loop. And we have 3 loops on our hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through just the first 2. Okay. Now we're going to do this again. Yarn over, go through the same stitch, yarn over and pull up another loop. Now we have 4 loops. All right, going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 again, and we're left with 3. Let's do our third one. Yarn over, go through the same stitch again, yarn over and pull up another loop for a grand total of 5 loops. All right, yarn over, pull through the first 2. Okay, and then I'll have our 3 almost finished double crochets. Yarn over, and we're going to pull through the last 4 loops. And we're going to secure the entire cluster with a chain stitch. And that's it. Okay, so let's try this again. I'm just going to skip a stitch so we can just see it better. I'm going to go through the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop for 3. Yarn over and pull through the first 2. Do it again. Same stitch, yarn over, go through the same stitch, pull up another loop for 4. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Okay. Now we got to do this a third time. Yarn over, go through the same stitch again, pull up another loop. We've got a total of 5 on our hook now, okay? Yarn over, pull through the first 2. That leaves 4. And yarn over, and let's pull through all 4. And we're going to finish it off with a chain stitch. All right, that's it. That is how you do this nice puff stitch. It looks nice on the back too. So it's really decorative, and again, it's just working 3 double crochets into the same stitch below. Okay, and as you can see, there's 3, 1, 2, 3 in there. All right, all across. And that's it. It's relatively simple, and I hope you enjoyed it.